Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Very warm welcome to all of you, our most esteemed guests, distinguished speakers, and fellow believers in India's incredible economic journey. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to stand before you today at the 7th Global Investor Conference right here in the heart of vibrant Surat. This conference, over the years, has grown from modest gathering of like-minded investors to a platform for ultra-HNI investors in the country. And today, I can proudly say that Surat has hit this milestone. When we launched the conference in 2017, the vision was very clear. Every major investor conference was happening in Mumbai or Delhi, but not in Surat. There was no such platform. Today, it's remarkable to see how far we have come. We now welcome participants flying from Dubai, Hong Kong, Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, and other cities. A big round of applause to all of them who have come from far to attend this conference. This isn't just a conference anymore. It's become a truly global investor moment born right here in Surat. You are not just attending a financial conference, you are attending a celebration of India's growth story. India today is not just an emerging market, it is the market. From the fastest growing country, GDP among major economies, to a demographic dividend that most countries envy, India is rewriting the rules of global trade, investments, and finance. From gold and real estate, we have now moved towards the financialization of savings, a moment so powerful that the SIP book has crossed 25,000 crore per month in India. It's not a number, it's a vote of confidence from the common man. We are witnessing a nation embracing equities like never before. A few years ago, equity was considered a kind of gamble for most retail investors. Today, it is well accepted tool for wealth creation for most of the family offices and investors over here. Thanks to better awareness, financial platforms, and growing culture of financial literacy. Even global manufacturers are seeing the writing on the wall. Post the Trump-era trade war and the push for China plus one strategy, India has emerged as a global manufacturing destination. The 2018 US-China trade war made Chinese goods costlier, pushing companies to adopt the China plus one strategy. India emerged as a strong alternative, attracting big tech firms like Google, Apple, and many others. As someone recently joked, that China built the factory, but India is building the future. This is not just a tactical win, it's a strategic transformation with long-term implications on industry, economy, and markets. Between March 2020 to September 2024, our stock market saw what we call as a one-side rally, fueled by liquidity, domestic inflows, and global tailwinds. It felt like every stock has just taken up a morning jogging. But markets are life. They don't move in a straight line. In recent months, we saw a healthy correction, markets going down by 10–12%, but at the stock level, we saw especially small caps going down from 40 to 70%. But despite this, I can confidently say that portfolios managed by people like Atul Suri, Ashish Somaiya, and many others have not experienced such steep corrections. The market is like a teenager, unpredictable, moody, and absolutely convinced it knows everything. And you know what? Corrections are a good sign. Ideally, people like Sanjay Bhai Dangi and Rajiv and everyone is waiting for such kind of corrections. As they say in the markets that when there is blood on the street, it's time to sharpen your research tools. And our fund managers have consistently used such periods to their advantage, identifying strong opportunities amid the volatility. Friends, hosting such a high caliber conference here in Surat is not just a privilege, it's a personal mission. Who would have thought that Surat, the city of diamond, would also become a city of wealth wisdom? And yes, it's Surat Dharti Ka Kamal that our speakers don't just pop in and out like they do in Mumbai. They spend at least 1 to 2 days over here in Surat for coming out for this conference. And this year we have a dream team. Shri C.R. Patil Sahib, Union Minister of Jal Shakti and BJP Gujarat President. He's coming in short time. He's a key force driving impactful change at the national level. Under his leadership, the Ministry of Jal Shakti, which is very near to Prime Minister Modi ji, has delivered remarkable progress in water conservation, rural water supply, and water rejuvenation. Harsh Sanghvi, our very own Home Minister of Gujarat, he is a dynamic leader at the heart of state's progress. Trusted by industrialists and entrepreneurs, he has played a key role in ensuring both business growth and public safety, making Gujarat a secure, thriving hub for investments. Sanjay Dangi ji, a name synonymous with bold investing and structured finance, known for taking substantial stakes in companies, his move echoes across boardrooms and trading desks, especially flown through his private jet from Mumbai just to attend this conference. Rajiv Agrawal ji, he has come as a personal capacity, as my friend, but he is the strategic mastermind behind Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's family office. He is not much known on the TV, but he is really the mastermind behind RJ's family office, what we call as a rare, that is Rakesh and Rekha. Atul Suri ji, a legend in the world of listed space, CEO of Marathon Trend PMS. If investing had a rock star, it would be him. He spots patterns like we spots WhatsApp forwards. Ashish Somaya, who is coming in sometime, the CEO of White Oak Capital, the name behind one of the most popular PMS in the country, a veteran with deep roots in equities and investor education. When he speaks, investors listens. Trust me, you will want to take notes in bold. Anil Joshi ji, founder of Unicorn India Ventures, and who founded Mumbai Angels back in 2010. When actually no one was knowing startups, he was the one who has really created a startup ecosystem in India. If you are thinking of entering a VC deal, you should talk to him before you swipe right. These aren't just speakers. They are veterans in managing public and private investments, policy making, and you will be surprised as in total all of these 5 speakers manage around 1 lakh plus crore of investments. A big round of applause to all of them who have come for our conference. A big commitment for all of them ideally. This year we are doing something special. Every speaker's question and topic is inspired by your curiosity. So I will have only 2-3 questions to ask. Then we will leave it up to audience. Feel free, ask questions, engage, debate. Don't worry about YouTube. This is not going to go on YouTube. You can freely ask. And I also request speakers to freely answer the questions. No CNBC, no ET now, no disclaimer. कोई चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है आप लोगों को खास. And as Warren Buffett says, risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Let's make sure by the end of the day you do. Thank you for your trust, your time, your patience, your presence. Here's to a day full of insights, powerful connections, and stronger convictions. Let's make this Global Investor Conference the one that truly changes how we think about wealth. Thank you and enjoy the sessions.